Today is Friday the 13th, and this is my first YouTube video. Sound might not be great because I don't have a microphone yet, so whatever comes in here. And I don't know what this video is gonna be about yet. Maybe I'll show you what I've done already. I have a few shorts. I'll show you the short I've done, and well, how about that? Let's do one short live. We're gonna create it. No AI, no BS. Just my footage, my sound, live, and we're gonna launch it and see how it performs. If it gets 0 views, so be it. But let's do it.
So after a few takes, I got it. It took me like 3 attempts. Having this here really helps. You don't have to memorize it, but although when you memorize it, it sounds a little more natural because you're talking from your, from your heart, from your mind. It's a little better than reading, but still, it's a short, so let's not get too deep into it. See what we have here. Sylvan Lake in South Dakota is one of the most scenic and iconic lakes in Black Hills region. It's often referred to as the crown jewel of Custer State Park. Not bad. Not bad, although it was used as a backdrop for the pleasure behind Mountain Rushmore. Yeah, that's good. No mic, still not a great audio, but again, it's a short. All right, so we got our video. I'm not gonna film the uploading part because you have to upload it on iPhone. Why? Because YouTube does not let you to choose music. And you do want to choose trending music from YouTube for shorts. For long version videos, you put in whatever music you have, your own, someone sent you, someone, you bought it, you downloaded it from some service, and you stitch it in. But for shorts, I feel like algorithm favors those shorts that have that YouTube music that they suggest you when you're uploading the video. So we're gonna do that. I'm gonna start filming right after I upload it. You're gonna see how it performs from the first minutes, and I'm gonna show you all the hashtags and description and the title I've put in. Let's see what we got, if we got any views coming in. So normally we get around 600, 700 views. This one got 2,000 views. Yeah, we'll see. Here are the hashtags I used, and also what I do is I put related video. I basically just put the previous video to give it a little boost. Here we are, 1 hour later, we got some views coming in. Not bad.
And there we have it. And I think the point of this video is just to show that you don't need much to start. You don't need anything. You're watching this probably on your iPhone or Android, whatever smartphone you have. That's all you need. I'm filming this on iPhone 13, not Pro. Don't think that you need fancy full frame cameras or $1,000 microphone or a professional studio like me. You don't, not to start. All you need to start is to overcome this fear of failure, of fear of what people think. What I've learned throughout my life is no one gives a shit. Take the first step, that's the halfway, and I will see you in the next one.